friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make your own leave-in conditioner from scratch using aloe vera for your natural hair. And I'm gonna be using a fresh aloe vera leaf, as you can see. And this is gonna be my first time doing this actually, so fingers crossed. And the reason why I'm making a homemade leave-in conditioner is because most of the leave-in conditioners that I've been trying have been leaving my hair feeling really dry. So aloe vera is really good for the hair. I'm very positive that it's gonna do wonders to my hair. So first of all, I'm just gonna get rid of the sticker. We don't need that. I'm also just gonna cut out that end because nobody's gonna use that. I'll cut off the other end just to be safe. Now I'm gonna cut it in the middle just to have smaller sections to work with. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the sharp edges because we definitely don't need that. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. Initially, I just wanted to use one half and keep the other half in the fridge, but later on you guys will see that I'm gonna end up using both of them. I'm gonna remove the cover of one side of each piece to have access to the gel, and I'm gonna do this by cutting it with a knife lightly so that I don't end up wasting the gel. That's done. I'm just gonna clean up real quick. Time to bring the blender. Almost done. Yay! I'm gonna use a spoon to scoop out the gel from each piece like that. And then I'm just gonna put it in the blender. Once that's done, I'm gonna clean up again because I love cleaning up as I go. Now we're going to the easy part, the blending. Whoo, almost done, almost done. Then I'm gonna grab my jar, beaker, or whatever that thing is called. I'll also grab a sock, and I'm gonna use this to make sure that I don't have residue, the white residue in the final product. My advice will be use a new sock because this one kind of had some holes, so I ended up having some white residue in my final product. Yeah, and I'm African, so I'm gonna make sure that I get all of it. Back home, we don't waste stuff. We get everything, all of it. I'll grab the sock and squeeze out the juice. Look at that. So that's the white residue I'm talking about. We don't want to have that. Next, I'm gonna add this 5-in-1 essential oil from African Pride. It contains castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. It also contains vitamin E, and I think it's a good investment because it's expensive to buy each of these essential oils by themselves. So yeah, you can add whatever essential oil you have. I'm not gonna add a specific amount. I'm just gonna add whatever my ancestors whisper is enough. So just literally add whatever feels right. I'm also gonna add some hemp oil. It's good for the hair and good for the skin as well. And literally everything we're adding here is good for the hair and good for the skin. The 5 essential oils, the aloe vera, the hemp oil. You can literally use this combination on your hair and your skin as well. I'm gonna use my very tiny funnel to put the final product in my spray bottle. Then I'm gonna shake everything real good to make sure that it's all mixed up. Like, I'm gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. Yes, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Please don't mind me. I'm crazy sometimes. Lo and behold, I present you the homemade aloe vera leave-in conditioner, and we are gonna put it to the test. My hair is dry, so I'm gonna use this leave-in conditioner to moisturize, and I'm gonna start by dividing my hair into sections. I'll go ahead and start spraying the leave-in conditioner on each section. Today I'm gonna be using a different oil to seal in the moisture. I'm gonna be using Jamaican black castor oil. Next, I'm gonna twist up that section since it's done, and I think it looks juicy. Then I'ma just do the same thing throughout my head. And I am done. I think my hair looks way more moisturized than it did at the beginning. So yeah, thanks to our homemade aloe vera leave-in conditioner. Well, that's all I had for you guys in this video. If you try out this recipe or whatever it's called, let me know in the comment section if it's working for you. And yeah, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.